Ever pondered over the magic behind the creation of Oreo cookies? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the captivating history of these delightful treats. Born over a century ago, Oreo cookies have been making our taste buds dance with joy since 1912. They've found their way into our hearts, and of course our bellies, leaving us curious about their creation. How do they achieve that perfect blend of crumbly cookie and creamy center? So, without further ado, let's unravel the secret behind Oreo cookies. The journey of an Oreo cookie starts with its unique dough. The dough is a blend of simplicity and perfection, made from a few basic ingredients: unbleached enriched flour, sugar, palm and/or canola oil, cocoa, high fructose corn syrup, leavening, soy lecithin, and a pinch of salt. These ingredients are mixed together in a large industrial mixer to create a smooth, dark dough that's as rich as it is sweet. Now here's where the magic really happens. The dough is then fed into a roller machine, which shapes it into thin sheets. These sheets are passed under a stamper that imprints them with the iconic Oreo design, the name Oreo in the center, surrounded by a wreath of intricate designs and patterns. This process gives the Oreo its distinctive look, transforming the simple dough into a work of edible art. Now that we have our cookies ready, it's time for the cream. The soul of an Oreo cookie lies in its creamy center. Now let's talk about this velvety magic. The cream is a simple yet scrumptious combination of sugar, vanilla extract, and a shortening blend of palm and canola oil. These ingredients are whipped together, creating that perfect, indulgent consistency. It's not too stiff, not too loose, just right to hold its shape when sandwiched between the cookies. The mixing is a delicate process, with each ingredient introduced at the right time and in the right proportion. The sugar and the oils are mixed first until they form a smooth paste. Then, the vanilla extract is added to bring that signature flavor we all know and love. Once the cream reaches the perfect consistency, it's ready to be sandwiched. A precise dollop of cream is placed on a cookie, and then another cookie is gently pressed on top. With the cream in place, we are one step closer to our delicious Oreo cookie. The final step in the process is the most satisfying one. After the dough's been shaped and the creamy center added, it's time to bake these beauties. The cookies are transferred into a large oven, where they're baked to perfection. This isn't just any baking, folks. It's a delicate dance of heat and timing to get that signature Oreo crunch. Once they've achieved that perfect balance of slightly toasted and delightfully crunchy, they're removed from the oven and left to cool. Cooling is crucial here. It allows the flavors to settle and mingle, and the texture to firm up. And then comes the moment we've all been waiting for, the packaging. Our Oreos are lined up, stacked, and carefully placed into their iconic blue packages, ready for their journey to your pantry. And voila! Our Oreo cookies are ready to be devoured, the result of a process that's as meticulous as it is mouth-watering. So, that's the fascinating journey of an Oreo cookie, from a handful of ingredients to the delicious treat we all love. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane, shall we? Our journey began with the Oreo cookie dough, the perfect blend of flour, sugar, cocoa, and a few secret ingredients, all mixed together to create that iconic, dark, and crunchy cookie. It's a process that requires precision and consistency, ensuring every cookie is as delicious as the last. Then we moved on to the creamy center, the heart of an Oreo, that sweet vanilla cream that just melts in your mouth. It's more than just sugar and vanilla. It's a carefully crafted formula that makes the Oreo an Oreo. The cream is piped onto the cookie with precision, creating that perfect balance of cookie and cream. Our journey then took us to the final touch, the intricate design and the sandwiching of the two cookies. It's an art in itself. The design isn't just for show, it's a part of the Oreo's identity. The sandwiching ensures the cream stays put, ready for you to twist, lick, and dunk. Every step in the process is a dance, a symphony of machinery and ingredients working in harmony to create the Oreo cookies we all know and love. It's a beautiful balance of science and art, all wrapped up in a delightful, edible package. Next time you bite into an Oreo, remember the journey it's been through. Until next time, keep enjoying your Oreos. Before we wrap up, I'd like to remind all the cookie lovers out there to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a crumb of our foodie adventures. Don't forget to explore my channel for more delicious journeys. We've covered everything from the secrets of sourdough bread to the world's most decadent desserts. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts on our Oreo journey. Did it make you see your favorite cookie in a new light? Do you have a unique way of enjoying your Oreos? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, Every cookie has a story, and I'm here to tell it. See you in the next video, cookie connoisseurs.